Hi viewers, in this video we're gonna see about Tor. Well, first Tor stands for the Onion Router. It was first developed in the mid 1990s by United States Naval Research Laboratory by Paul Syverson. It was developed for protecting US intelligence communications online, but they did not release it for the public use. Tor was officially released for certain members on 20th September 2002. Then later it was released for the public for download and use after 1 year of the first release by its developers. It was released to the public to give them a chance to bypass censorship and tracking. Tor is the only one secure browser out there. Even it is more secure than Google Chrome's incognito mode or Firefox private browsing mode, because use of these incognito or private browsing mode is to browse privately and your history will be parsed when you switch to this mode. But Tor is not like that. Like its name, the Onion Router, it is like an onion. If you want to get to its center part, you should cross all of its outer layers. Tor will build a transparent path by creating and clearing all traffics getting to you and giving you the world's most secure browsing feel. In short, by using Tor, you can visit banned websites and preventing you from tracking. Tor is widely used for visiting dark web because Tor follows an end user encryption service. For example, if you're visiting youtube.com and signing in with your Google account, and after that reopening the page, you will be signed out of YouTube. Then you may ask, is Tor is illegal? Nah, it's not. Because Tor is not used only for accessing dark web and doing some illegal stuffs. It is also used for general browsing and stuff. So now let us see how to install Tor. Tor is available for all platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, Mac and Linux. Let us see how to install them. So I'm right now inside an Android device, so let's just get into the Play Store for installing that and click the search and search for Tor, T-O-R, Tor, and hit enter. And now we have the Tor browser, and we do also have Orbot. So you may ask, what is an Orbot? So Orbot is also a Tor VPN. By enabling that, you can just use Tor in any browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, but I recommend you the official Tor browser from the Tor network. So let's just click install that. So we have the Tor browser and it is installing, so let's wait. So it has installed. Let's click open, and now it is just opening Tor browser. And that is how you install Tor in Android. I'm sorry that the screen recorder that I've used has not captured the Tor window. So that's how you install Tor in Android. So in Windows it is a bit different. You cannot find it in the Microsoft Store, so you should go to this website. I'll give the link in the description box down below. So this is the website where you can download Tor for Windows, and scroll down. Over here we can see all the platforms that we can download Tor. So click download for Windows, and now it will install an installer. So let's wait. After installation, you should just click that, okay, like this, and now it will show you the please select your language dialog box. Click OK and next and install. So now it is installing, so let's wait. Okay, now we can just click finish, and now it will open Tor browser. So let's just wait. So this is how the Tor browser splash screen looks. Sorry guys, it's a bit laggy in the screen recorder. The OBS Studio is very laggy, so sorry. And click connect. Okay, and now it will just connect, so let's just wait. Sorry for the bad resolution and the bad quality of the video. It is so laggy, I knew that. So over here you can see that the Tor file to establish a Tor network connection. Sometimes you'll get this error, so for that click reconfigure and click again connect, and now it will connect again. This occurs because of your internet speed and your PC or laptop's specs. So now it has connected. So this is how Tor looked. I'm so sorry guys, I cannot show you in the Android version because the screen recorder is not has not recorded the splash screen. So this is how it looks. So this is Tor browser for Windows. So in Linux it is a bit similar to Windows. You need to visit the same site as Windows. I'll give the link again in the description box. Here you can see that download for Linux. Click that, and now it will download a tor.exe file. So after the file gets downloaded, you need to extract that. So let's extract this. So it's preparing to extract. So after that, let's open the folder, Tor browser, and from here right click, open in terminal, and it's in the correct directory of the Tor browser. So let's click L as for listing the file, so ls, and now from here we need to just type dot slash, okay, dot slash, and just copy this dot desktop file and copy that, and now let's just paste it, and now hit enter, and now Tor browser will open like this. So it's a bit confusing while just doing this. Okay, you should concentrate, and you should have some concentration while doing this. So please wait while we establish a connection to the Tor network, and now it will open. So it's here. So this is how you install Tor browser, guys. So this is how you install Tor browser, and unfortunately I don't have a Mac PC or an iOS device, so I'll give the link in the description box down below for see how to install and use Tor browser in them. And that's it for today guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you learned something new in this video, and bye.